Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you read Wattpad stories after being offline. It is both for iOS and Android. So just go to the Wattpad app. Now in the Wattpad app, just select a story that you want to read offline, like this one. After selecting a story, click on this three dot icon here and click on add to option, the middle one. Now just select a library, this first one. Now just click on the bottom middle option here, this one. And here you can see in the other stories option, the story is here. Now just click on this cloud download button. You can just download the story and you can just read it offline. Now I'm just gonna turn off my Wi-Fi. Now just click on this story, and here you can see I can read the stories after being offline. So guys, that's how you can read a story after being offline. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.